Hey everyone, thank you for joining. I have 5 beautiful Farmhouse Valentine DIYs for you today. So grab a coffee and let's start. For this DIY, I'm using a 9-inch reef ring and some beautiful wide lace. I will be wrapping the wide lace around the ring to cover it.
Swear that I'll stay here with you.
I have some wooden hearts that I had on hand, and I'm going to place 6 of them onto the ring. I will stain the hearts using my Waverly antique wax, and then place the hearts on the ring and glue them to the lace.
You are and you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. Each other now. Promise you won't leave my side.
I bought a package of little wooden hearts at my dollar store for $2. I picked 2 different patterns of hearts, and I'll glue one in the center of each heart.
Tell me what.
I'll be painting my love sign using the color moss from Waverly, and I'll give it 2 coats of paint. When it dries, I will glue it in the center of my heart wreath. I will be stringing some 15mm natural wooden beads on some twine to make a hanger for the back of the wreath. This DIY was so easy and so much fun to make. It looks so elegant and high-end with a beautiful touch of rustic farmhouse meets shabby chic. For this DIY, I have 3 beautiful thick wooden hearts that I found at my local thrift store for $2.99. These are going to be perfect as a heart display. For the big heart, I will be gluing a piece of crafting paper from my dollar store using my glue stick. I'll cut the paper around the heart and use my sanding block to remove any excess paper. For the medium heart, I'm going to use a wipe and dip it into the color moss paint from Waverly and wipe it on the heart, and this will make it look like it was stained. Then I will be adding a smaller natural wood heart in the middle of my medium heart. I absolutely love this one. The color is very beautiful. And for the smaller heart, I'll paint this using the color Ballet Slipper paint from Waverly. This pink color is so dainty. It's very soft and a very romantic color. For this DIY, I have a fairy door from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use a piece of crafting paper from my first DIY and cut out 2 rectangle and 2 square pieces for the front of the door. And using my glue stick, I'll glue these pieces to the door.
I will keep loving you.
I'll be using my Waverly moss paint again to paint the arch window at the top of the door. In finishing this DIY, I'll add a Happy Valentine's Day sticker from a package of Valentine stickers I purchased at my dollar store. For this DIY, I bought 2 packages of heart ornaments for Christmas from my dollar store and thought they would be perfect for a Valentine garland. I'll be painting 4 of the hearts on both sides using the Ballet Slipper paint from Waverly.
I know that I will be with you the rest of my life.
And to make the garland, I'll start with stringing 3 15mm natural wood beads on a piece of twine, then adding a heart, 3 beads, and then a pink heart. And I'll continue the pattern until everything is on the twine. Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and this will notify you when I upload any new videos. Also, give me a thumbs up by clicking the like button, and this helps my channel to continue to grow. And leave me a comment down below on which DIY you like the most. And to finish the DIY, I'll tie a knot at both ends, making a loop so that garland can be hung up. I love this garland. It took about 10 minutes to make, and it has a simple, beautiful, elegant look to it. For this DIY, I found 3 wooden books at my thrift store for $2.99 in the crafting area. I'm going to give them a new look for Valentine's Day, and I will be leaving the gold around the edges because it kind of gives it a really nice old rustic look to them. I'll paint the bigger book and one of the smaller books with the ballet slipper paint from Waverly, and I'll paint the third book using my moss paint from Waverly as well. I purchased some Valentine stickers from my dollar store, and I'm going to add one to each of my books. Using a baby wipe, I wiped on some antique wax from Waverly on each of the books to give it a more of an aging look. I glued the books together and wrapped some twine around them. And to finish off the DIY, I added a wicker heart on the side. I really love how these turned out, and they have a beautiful soft farmhouse look to them. I hope I have inspired you with some new fresh ideas for your Valentine's decor DIYs this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now. Till you entered my door, and from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose. That's the thing about you. The best thing